Good morning! First one of the day on this rather chilly Saturday morning here in Bushy. This is a new client with her lovely little Triumph Trident. This is in for one of our full Monty valets with a good coating of winter protection. As you can see, doesn't look like it has been cleaned in some time. Lots of road grime, grit, dirt. She is filthy. We're going to give this a proper full pre-wash to remove any contaminants, and we're going to do a snow foam safe wash before we actually get on with the contact cleaning. We've got lots of degreasing to do. Back of the number plate, the chain doesn't look like it has had any lube on it in some time, so we're going to get all that cleaned up, get some fresh lube on it, and then we'll get it into the studio and crack on with some detailing. All these banjo bolts, things like that, they all need that extra little bit of care, extra XCP corrosion protection, because they do corrode over the winter. We'll get all that shock area all cleaned up, get all that exhaust all minted, get it looking like it should before we apply the corrosion protection. And there you go, just under 3 hours. This Triumph Trident has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary full Monty valets. Okay, full Monty valets generally take 2 to 3 hours. That includes a citrus pre-wash, snow foam safe wash. We fully degrease all the chain, sprockets, detailed cleaning of the disc calipers, detailed cleaning of the exhaust downpipes. All the under seat is cleaned. Then we fully blow dry it. We paint center side stands. Any other rusty nuts and bolts which we can't polish, we usually paint. We put a good coating of the XCP clear coat, which we missed on with our compressor. We brush on the XCP orange onto any banjo bolts, etc. All the plastics get dressed. We hand polish all the bodywork, hand polish the exhaust. We use white diamond metal polish, which leaves a protective coating. All the chain gets re-lubed back up. We use the Silcoline titanium gel. All of it is satisfaction guaranteed. We supply a before and after video, all in with our legendary Trot Full Monty valet. We are open 6 days a week. Like I said previously, we do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Get yours booked in now, ready for the winter ahead. Give us a buzz, drop us a text, 07966 249 963. We have a YouTube channel with hundreds of before and after videos. Have a look. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, you know what to do.